chupacabra, a lot of people like to, look at that animal, kind of like a stray dog. They're gonna bark, they're gonna whine, but as soon as you show them who's boss, they're gonna run away. So just wait and see.
All right, welcome back, Bluegrass Blitzball League. Right now we have the Chups versus the Lightning. Chups are pitching first. Brogan looking extra sanitary.
He came in with the hand sanitizer, the gloves, and the mask.
First pitch.
Right.
Wide right.
All right, just like that.
Wide slider, sort of?
I was a little confused.
I still need to watch that podcast, Joe. That's a below the knee hit, but it's still gonna be a ball.
Ryan, you good?
You sure?
Yeah.
And there's a solid neat hit.
And if you're gonna walk him, go ahead and hit him. And
Ooh, dirty curveball, swinging a whip. Slider outside, next batter up. That's one in. Okay, heating up. There we go, strike three. The curveballs.
Daniel got walked.
Another ball.
I can't place it now. Three. Wait. He just went quiet over there.
There's been quite a few balls. And a smack. That's fair. Barely dribbling that third baseline. Little hesitation, overshot. He's gonna stay at first. Loco back. It's like crazy. We're not sponsored. All right. Inning is switched up. All right. Welcome back. Bottom of the first inning. Lightning up to pitch. Silence on the mound, please. Ooh. A little different pitching against Brogan. He is the only lefty in the league. Curveball has been swinging. Ooh, submarine sinker has him looking. But hey, at least he's sanitary. Next one up. Mike up on his rookie debut. First pitch over his shoulder.
Start back in.
I didn't stop with it. Pretty quick.
He's proud of that thing. I noticed that. Come on.
That's outside. Another one on.
See how that works. That's usually because I'm...
And a meat shot.
Dude, I love how clean the base path is.
Nick will take the meat shot. That's one in.
I guess.
Brogan back to pitch. Open up those hips. Another outside pitch.
Come back in for this. Just for like, I like those a lot. That one's like yeah.
I just ordered a pair of Pegasus Zoom.
Huh? I have to so bad right now. Yes! Go! You got the out. So how many did y'all score?
Got 8 right now.
Easy subby.
Oh,
there we go. He makes up for it.
Oh! Oh! Go.
Oh, he didn't
And
go. I
a
hit him.
smack. We'll change up, folks. Let's see what Brogan has to do about it.
Misses.
Didn't quite make it pay.
Walk.
Yeah.
Loader. Ooh, Mike just said, give it here. Alright, Fox.
I guess so.
Oh. Hey, make it play.
There we go.
First.
Neat. Blue tie-dye borders. Nick with a shot popped up. Light bobble. Brogan catches it.
All right, let's go.
Oh, it clips it. Will he make it? No, that is out at first.
No runs scored.
Boom. Outside sinker, one down. Boom.
And Lightning done it. Now Kay went to front tree. Good day.